Yeah, welcome guys. So yes, Q server will send you your web space login detail, but I can't show you my own now because it has my own personal login detail. So you just click on it. They'll send you http / www. the name of your website .com.ng if use .ng. So they'll get your website URL / cpanel, right? So you will log in to your cPanel. So they will send you the username and the password. So they will send you your username and the password. So for me now, I will copy my username and my password, and I will see you inside the cPanel. Yes guys, so after logging into your cPanel, the very first thing to do is to install WordPress. So how do we install WordPress? Let's go down, let's scroll down. You will see WordPress Manager by Softaculous right here. This is WordPress Manager by Softaculous. WordPress Manager by Softaculous. So open it. So I don't want to, I'll just click on it and open it. I don't want to open it in a new tab. Now you'll come here. So once you come here, you click on install. Now you click on install. Then right here you scroll down where you have HTTP. If it is ordinary HTTP, you change it to HTTPS for your website to be secured. You change it to HTTPS for your website to be secured. Then you delete this one. You don't need to have anything in the directory, so it should just be your website